Here is this app called Jot, Just One Thought. And as you can see, it starts to climb in the charts in social networking category. It has getting some ratings. And what's the idea of this app? Um, so this is like one of the alternatives for Be Real. So what it does, so basically let's go through the features. So welcome to Jot, where self-expression and authentic connection are just a sort of way with just you can break free from confines of traditional social media and embrace your truest self. So you once have one thought, 2 minutes, let it out. So it's very similar concept to Be Real. So you receive one notification per day. You have 2 minutes, but then you don't post a picture, you just write a text message. So there you have it. That's basically the idea. It's like a text Be Real, or like Twitter Be Real, let's say it. Then friends or public, your choice. So you can choose different post privacy for your text, either only friends or either public. There is no private option. I was just trying this app. It's like would be actually pretty cool to also maybe in in Be Real to have like completely private option, or however maybe in Be Real they have that, like where you just keep your thoughts to yourself. Then the reactions, you can react this app, and then it says it's all about you. Unlock exciting personal insights featuring a user's current streak, top reactors, and most popular reactions. Stay motivated and inspired as you see your progress and connect with others. And they insist that this is not a social media platform, this is a social energy platform. The Jot community values the vibes above all else. Jot's here to increase the positive energy coefficient of the world, starting with you. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So yeah, then you can let's just open up the app to see how it works. So I just posted uh, posted this app, and yeah, what you can do, yeah, you just receive notification and then you just need to add some text message. Then you can edit this message during the day, I guess, but then this message still disappears in the end of the day. Then you can change privacy from public to friends. However, I don't know if you can change back from friends to public. And then, yeah, that's, for example, I'm just posting a Jot. So for example, that's the same process as I'm posted a Jot, and then I can just share it wherever I want. Then I can just go and share it on Snapchat if I want. So then I can just open my Snapchat app, and then it's like, hey everyone, this is just like my daily Jot. So yeah, this is like a text message here. Uh, then you can actually react to this Jot. There are these 6 emojis how you can react, and then if you edit your Jot, all your previous reactions just disappear. By the way, to create an account is super easy. You just need to register with your phone number, receive confirmation code, and then you should be good to go. It's not possible to sign up with Apple or something like that. Yeah, I didn't receive confirmation code for a while, only from a second attempt. So there can be some server issues. Just keep it in mind. The app can be buggy because also with Be Real, when some of social apps like start trending in the charts, a lot of users try to get in there, and sometimes servers are just not ready. There can be some issues. And then yeah, to add friends, you can just go and tap add friends here. You can just search by username, and that's how they work here. Then you can it can suggest you people who you might know. Then you can just you can invite your friends. Then you can see in discover. Yeah, so that's basically, and then you just have your own friends, and then you can just type here, you can remove friend. block or report. You can go to some person profile. I don't know, like this profile, and then you can see how many jots you or your friend posted. So streak, it means like you posting every day. Most received jots, some other. So then yeah, you can see all of that, and then we can just go to discover. Uh, So anyhow, I don't know about like the actual the moderation of this app and all of that. Like how safe is it, on all of these other things. Yeah, it's just going out. But yeah, it seems it went through like the Apple moderation. So that's that. And then, for example, this is the post. You can react to it. You can comment. You can share. You can report or block it, and then you just have your own account here, and that's your profile. Yeah, I don't know if you can delete your profile or anything. Seems not possible. And then yeah, that's basically the idea here. So yeah, something like that. That's the app. I'm not sure if it's available on Android or somewhere else. Uh, so yeah, what else I can say? Give a try to this app if it sounds fun to you. We'll see how it evolves.